Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create a Windows VM on Google Cloud Platform. Let me just quickly log on to the Google portal and take it from there. I am inside the Google Cloud Platform, and in the compute section I am on the VM instance. I would click on create. Come on. You are familiar with this page, so home, compute, VM instance. Click on it. Click on create. I'm getting this option because I was in the middle of creating a VM. So give it a name. Test Windows instance 1. Let us go with Mumbai. Let's go with a general purpose. 1 CPU, 4 GB memory, under boot disk. Otherwise, it will again install Debian. Click on change. You want to go for (2012) Windows Data Center 2012. Alrighty, 50 GB hard disk. Click on select. Okay. Let's enable allow HTTP traffic, just default access. Click on create. It is creating. Okay, let's wait. It is done. I am getting an option to RDP, set Windows password. If the account already exists, resetting the password can cause the loss of encrypted data. Connect. Password. Oh, I do not. Let me set it again. I got this option. I reset the password. Let's see, are we able to connect? We are. That's nice. Let's wait. It's logging me in. Alright. This is nice. I'm logged in. Let's see LUSR local user accounts. Too much issue. Okay, so this gets created by default if you're using your personal Gmail account to create to log on and use the free usage tier. There's nothing to worry about it. So this is how you do it. I hope this was informative to all of you. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any feedback, please mention in the comment section, and please don't forget to share this video. Until next time, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.